Hey guys, Stuart here. Today I just want to quickly discuss our Sheetify customization service. Essentially, if you've purchased one of our Google Sheets business toolkits and you've realized that you want to customize, add new tools or features to your Sheetify product, we can help you. Also, if you're after a complete custom Google Sheets solution, we can help build that out for you. Or maybe you already have a Google Sheets template and you want help customizing this. I'll add a link to this Google Sheets customization landing page down below in the description. Now, in terms of our simple 3-step process, first jump on a call and book in a free 15-minute, no obligation chat with our developers. Fill out the form to help us understand your Google Sheets or Sheetify project requirements. Then we'll recommend a customization package based on your requirements. Following this, we will begin your project. We'll test and review customizations until you're happy with the end result. Pretty straightforward, right? However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in this video. If you want to learn more about our Sheetify Google Sheets business toolkits, I will add the relevant resources and video tutorials down below in the description. And the same is said for our Sheetify customization service. Anyway, that's it from me. I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.